Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore washer and dryer matching set, and right now I've got this Kenmore hooked up and it is running a load, pretty heavy jeans and towel load. As you can see, it filled up, it's agitating perfectly. We are on the ultra clean wash cycle, so I'm going to allow it to go through that cycle and just show you that it obviously filled up with water, it agitates, that it drains, and that it's got a nice smooth spin cycle on it. So we'll let it go ahead and advance through that cycle and come back for it. Okay, and while that washer is testing out, I'm going to go ahead and show you the dryer, show you that it runs great, sounds good, and is heating appropriately. So we'll go ahead and just set this on time dry. It has your heat settings, which is great if you have anything delicate that you need to dry. And then this is also great if you have kids. Instead of this being just super loud, you can set it down low, so it'll still let you know without being really loud. So we'll just hit go. As you can hear, it's nice smooth operation. It's a super capacity plus. Plenty of space for those clothes. And I'm going to show you real quick with my heat gun. In between those two red dots is where it's going to take a measurement on the temperature. So it's about 72. The floor of the garage here is about 57. So we'll open this up. Heating element tube right there. We'll shine it right in there. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. And that'll get up almost to 300 degrees, but the heating element is located right below it on the back side. So the inside of your dryer, though, is going to get anywhere from 95 to 195, and that's what gets your clothes dry. I get that question all the time, is that supposed to be dark like that? And it is, because of the temp that comes out of this little grate. So it's designed for that. That little discoloration there is perfectly normal. So that's it on the heat. I can hear that washer kicking over. Actually, let's just switch over here real quick. See, it's draining out the water. So that's it on the dryer, and then we'll come back to finish up with this washer here. Okay, and we're back on that final spin cycle. As you can see, it's got a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. Then I'm going to lift the lid up and show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. The lid switch will kick in and shut it down. You're not really supposed to do that, but for testing purposes I want to show you that it is spinning nice and fast. We'll close it down and it'll get started back up. Washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. That way you know everything works perfect before it leaves my care here. And pretty much already shown you the dryer, so that's going to be it on this set here. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thanks.